going here with the rest of the process since you're waiting on insulation. Need to get these side panels built for each side here for the rear garage area under the bed. We got 1/4 inch Baltic Birch hardwood plywood. Just gonna cut the sheet out to fit over the wheel well there. For each side, they're both matching. Just put in some rivnuts in the holes. Put it up there and bolt it up. Should look pretty good. We'll get going with that. Look at that panel. Sitting in there good. I guarantee you there's one thing that becomes your friend making a van, building a van or whatever, assembling and or putting together. Templates, buddy. Templates. Can't stress enough. Got this guy here. You can see the tricks of the trade, old tools here. We got it temped out with that one there. Measured and cut. Found out each one of these angles with an angle finder, you know, eBay special. Amazon, I don't know why I keep saying eBay. I don't buy nothing off eBay. It's about 40 degrees for each one of those curves over that wheel well, which both of these are matching. Once you take that thing back out, get it slide in there, but should replicate each side, be able to cut another one out. I'm gonna do my Play-doh trick, take and fill in, put some rib nuts in all the holes accessible to put one in, shoot the panel in, have it looking right. Okie doke. We got the VanBuilder's tip of the day here. We see we got some good old childhood Play-doh. No, we ain't making cupcakes. Got us a hole template. Works perfect. Stick it on about where the hole's gonna need to be, and voila, we missed that one. So we'll get back and show you a demo. But you can see, got a little circle. Need to get you a little wad of it. The tub, that big old tub's like $4 at Dollar General. Shout out to the DG. You see that one did good. Smear it on, drill it out. Ain't no guesswork. Ain't got a fumble and finagle. Line it up and go. But again, like I say, the van's in kind of a disarray. We got most of the insulation installed. You can see we got the water tank here completely in the way of the shot, but we can see our water tank and battery frames. We got to get them screwed back down. We've pretty much purchased everything we need to finish and complete the van, aside from knickknacks and little paddywhacks. But we got, you know, just unforeseen costs that, you know, are always going to arise with anything you build. But as far as the big basics and the crucial items, we've pretty much purchased everything. We got everything to get the electrical system and the water going in. We just got to get everything framed and built. I need to get these side panels here put in and can get everything built back into the van where I know what I'm working with. But once I get all of this reinstalled, painted, cleared, and, you know, polished, essentially, then we can continue with the framing and getting the cabinet walls and stuff in. It's gonna look stellar. We're gonna do a little sanding, a little prep work on these guys, slap it up in there on the ceiling, have that thing looking like a showroom model. Yes sir. But till then, we got a long way to go. Get everything going. We appreciate everyone for tuning in and along for our VanBuild adventure. We got Will here. We got What's the guy going on in the yard? Yeah? Y'all check out that yard beast there. Got this fine machine, cuts that grass. Keep that cow hood induction on there. Gets that good airflow. Better get 3 more horsepower. Yes, sir. Over and out.